Hi, it's Jason at Jordanbikes. Today I've got something a little bit different for you. Suzuki Burgman 650 Executive. It's like the super scooter. Tons and tons of features on this. Go through them all with you individually. It's absolutely immaculate. It's a 2015 on a 15 plate and it's only done 4,643 miles. It's got top box on there, which does come off, and it has got the base plate. It has got a backrest on there if you didn't want it. It's got some under seat storage, which I'll show you. Even got a boot light, look at that. Tons and tons of storage. You'll be able to get a helmet or maybe a couple of small helmets in there with ease. It's also got, if you turn it on, power screen. You can see up and down. Electric folding mirrors. Send them back out again. Heated front and rear seats. It's also got heated grips on there, and it does have a power mode as well, so it will set off that little bit quicker, and you can change gears yourself up and down. And it has got a little cruise control on there. Keiko, I think the makers of that one. Really, really cool thing. It's got a sat nav lead and a sat nav mount as well. And it is, I said, it's absolutely immaculate. It's just a super scooter. So if you've got a full bike license and just want something a little bit different, I guess this is the bike for you. Come down and see it for yourself at Jordanbikes or give us a call.